Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Alien English Show. I'm your teacher, Stella.
And I'm Blip, the best alien student in the galaxy.
You sure are, Blip. How are you today?
I'm good, but my legs are tired. I walked everywhere this morning.
Oh, no. Why didn't you take the bus?
The bus? That big yellow moving box with wheels? I saw it, but I was afraid it would eat me.
Don't worry, Blip. Buses don't eat people. They help people go places.
Really? Then I want to learn how to take the bus.
Perfect. Today's lesson is all about taking the bus. How to ask for a ticket, find your stop, and ride safely.
Great, because my feet say no more walking.
Then let's go to the bus stop.
Okay, Blip, this is a bus stop. People wait here for the bus.
Oh, so this is not a spaceship landing area.
Nope, just a normal bus stop.
Humans stand here in a line, waiting for a big car to come and take them.
Exactly. When you see the bus you need, you wave your hand like this.
Like this or like this? Waves both arms wildly.
No, just one hand, Blip.
Oh, sorry. My planet uses two hands for everything.
That's okay. Now, when the bus stops, you get on and say hello or good morning to the driver.
Drivers are like captains?
Yes, you can say that. They drive the bus and help people travel.
All right, the bus is here. Let's go in.
It's big, and it smells like humans and snacks.
That's the real Earth experience.
Now, to ride the bus, you need a ticket or a bus card.
Ticket? What is that? A piece of paper to prove I can go?
Exactly. You can buy one from the driver or a machine.
This looks like a robot. Does it talk?
Sometimes, you press the buttons and pay with money or a card.
Oh, money! The shiny circles that humans love.
Yes, coins or paper money. You give it, and the machine prints your ticket.
Okay, I can do that. Presses buttons randomly.
Machine says error. Did I break it?
No, Blip. You just pressed too many buttons. Here, let's do it step by step. Press the button for your destination. Choose one ticket. Insert the money. Take your ticket.
Oh, it worked. I have my ticket.
Great job! Now, say to the driver, "One ticket, please."
One ticket, please.
Thank you. Have a nice ride.
Oh, he spoke to me. Humans are so polite.
That's right. Always be polite when you ride the bus.
Now we find a seat. You can sit anywhere that's free.
Ooh, look, a chair near the window. I want to see the world move.
Okay, go ahead.
Wow, the ground moves so fast, but I'm not flying.
That's the bus, Blip. It moves on wheels, not rockets.
Strange, but fun.
When you sit, you can look outside, read, or listen to music, but don't talk too loud.
Why not? Humans like noise, right?
Not on the bus. It's a quiet place.
Oh, so no singing, alien dance party.
Maybe later. Blip, Stella, what are the rules for humans on the bus?
Good question. Let's go over them. 1, be polite to others. 2, don't block the doors. 3, offer your seat to older people or pregnant women. 4, keep your voice low. 5, no eating or drinking.
No eating? Even small snacks?
Small snacks, maybe, but no big meals.
Oh, so no space noodles?
Definitely no space noodles.
Okay, I'll try. I want to be a good passenger.
Blip, how do I know when to get off?
You can look out the window for signs or listen to the driver.
But what if I don't understand?
Then you can ask someone. Here are some simple questions. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center? Where do I get off for the park? Is this the right stop for the museum?
Oh, I like those. They're simple. Can I try one?
Sure.
Excuse me, human. Is this the right stop for the pizza planet?
No, 2 more stops.
Thank you, Earth human.
See, that was perfect.
Okay, Blip. When you're near your stop, press this red button.
Oh, what does it do?
It tells the driver to stop at the next station.
So it's like saying, please stop, Captain.
Exactly.
Oh, it makes a sound. Beep! I like it.
Now, wait until the bus stops completely, then walk to the door and say, "Thank you," to the driver.
Okay, thank you, Captain.
You're welcome, little green guy.
You did it, Blip. You just took your first bus ride.
Yay! My feet are so happy.
See, now we're at the park, all thanks to the bus.
It's beautiful. Trees, humans, dogs. I love buses now.
I'm glad. Now you can go anywhere in the city.
Even to the ice cream shop?
Yes, even there.
Then I will take the bus every day.
Good idea. But don't forget to buy your ticket each time.
Right. Tickets first, snacks later.
That's my good alien.
Okay, let's review what we learned today. Repeat after me.
Ready?
Bus stop.
Bus stop.
Ticket.
Ticket.
Driver.
Driver.
Seat.
Seat.
Stop.
Stop.
Very good. Now, let's try full sentences. Where is the bus stop?
Where is the bus stop?
I need 1 ticket, please.
I need 1 ticket, please.
Excuse me, is this my stop?
Excuse me, is this my stop?
Thank you, driver.
Thank you, driver.
Wow! I can speak like a real human now.
You're doing great, Blip.
Maybe one day I'll drive the bus myself.
Let's wait on that one.
And that's all for today's episode. Blip takes the bus.
Now I know how to ride the bus like a human.
Exactly. You learned new words, how to buy a ticket, and how to be polite on the bus.
Thank you, Stella. Next time, can we learn about jobs on Earth? I want to know what humans do all day.
That's a great idea, Blip. Maybe that will be our next lesson.
Yay! But first, I'll take the bus to the pizza shop.
Bye, everyone. See you next time on the Alien English Show.